I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Sign in at account. Microsoft. Com and confirm your email and phone for recovery. Once done, check which Minecraft edition you own, Java or Bedrock, because the fix path differs slightly. Make sure two-factor status, recent passwords, and recovery codes are visible. This prevents lockouts mid-repair. If you use a password manager, open it now so you can update credentials. This first phase reduces hiccups and prepares you for the deeper account corrections ahead. Next, focus on regaining access and fixing linkage. If sign-in fails, run the Microsoft account recovery flow and provide recent activity details to improve success odds. Once you can sign in, reset your password and re-enable two-factor authentication. Make sure to update your password manager. Then, confirm your Xbox profile is linked to your Minecraft/Mojang account so purchases and worlds align. Make these changes step by step, verifying each change on another device to avoid getting locked out again. Finally, sign into Minecraft and verify your purchases, skins, and worlds load correctly. If the game shows authentication errors, clear app data or reinstall the client, and then sign in again. Testing on another device helps isolate if it's device-specific. Make sure your Microsoft/Xbox profile appears in settings so cloud saves sync. If problems persist, use the account recovery contact form and record any error codes to provide when you contact support. This single troubleshooting tip speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.